So here's my little grow setup that I just recently got going. I had a potato that was literally only about that big around, but it had three eyes. So I split that guy into thirds and I let it sit for a day or so that the raw edge could callus. You're supposed to do that before you plant them. Anyway, the potatoes are doing great. I've got one there. The one in the middle is doing awesome. And there's another one doing good over there. Um, just today, I set up this tray here. It's full of spinach. I just did that today. And also today, I put four bush beans, one in each corner of this box. Also today, in these little square trays, I've got pepper seeds. I've tried twice before to get pepper seeds to grow, and I've had terrible luck getting peppers to grow from seed to a full plant. I'm able to get them to germinate. I'm just not able to get them to grow to a full, to get the full set of what do they call it? The natural leaves. Anyway, fingers crossed. Hopefully my peppers, I can get some good peppers out of those. I got 4 and 4, so I've got 8, and there's 2 seeds in each tray. So possibly, if all goes well, I might have 8 or 16 pepper plants. In case you're wondering, this wire cage, I've got that there to keep my cats, to prevent my cats from turning this into a litter box. That's why I've got the wire. Um, there's something I noticed, which is I think is really interesting. Now these are LED grow lights, and my cell phone camera. Look at those dark bands. Look at that. If I orient my camera just right, look at those dark bands. Now I don't know if this is polarization or see how if I orient my camera, the bands stay the same, and even when I get far away, the bands are still there. I'm still trying to work that out. I don't know if that's polarized light or if it's a latency thing with my cell phone camera with the frequency of the light. I don't know. That's really weird. I just found that really interesting. Look at those bands. If I turn my camera like this, the bands are really thick. If I turn my camera down, the bands go away. Look at that. If I turn my camera down, they go away. And it doesn't matter where my camera is. If I get down low and turn my camera this way, the bands get really thick. And it doesn't matter how I orient the camera. So I don't see if I orient my camera, I don't think it's a polarization issue. I'm wondering if it's a something to do with the electronics of the camera and the way it samples. I really don't know. But anyway, there's my little grow situation. Cross your fingers. I really, really, really hope that my peppers, I know they'll germinate. I just hope that I can turn them into full grown plants that I can actually put outside and then eventually harvest peppers. And so there it is. There's my little grow setup.